Have you guys ever encountered this error where you connect your iPhone to your PC, but for some reason you can't bypass, even though it's in Chinese? Basically it means allow or don't allow. See how that's stuck? I'm gonna attempt to restart the phone. Hold down the power button. Try to turn it off, but this window is on top of it, so I have to get through this window, but I can't in order to shut it down. So what can I do? So let's see what happens if I connect it to a direct power source. Still won't let me bypass this. So I took the case off, but still the same problem. Alright, so I'm gonna try this method. I'm gonna press and quickly release the power up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. And then I am going to hold the side button for 20 seconds. So it looks like the Apple logo finally appeared. Then I can release the button. So that basically forces the restart. Now we basically cleared it, and that's how you force your iPhone to restart if you are ever stuck on the allow to access your photo and videos. This is the first time it ever happened, and I just confirmed it. Everything is working fine right now. Enter the access code. Okay. And now I can transfer my files. Just to confirm. Yep. Got access to my iPhone files.